want to do?
It says, look here.
That's scary.
And you're holding my foot because?
You're comfy.
Well, I'm gonna need it in a minute.
No, you won't.
I gotta get up.
You don't.
Yes, I do.
You wanted that.
Yeah. You gonna turn off the light?
Ew.
I need my foot.
No. I told you I'm using it. Your foot is not going anywhere. Stop.
Give me my
Don't
foot.
touch me in that memory.
It's a blanket.
Come on, give me my foot. No.
You're freaking fake. Give me my foot. You can hold my hand.
No.
You insane. Yeah.
I'm just really handicapped.